Hello explorer, today we are traveling to the Patagonian coast of Argentina. We are going to learn about a global issue that applies to this region, bycatch. Bycatch is a term used for the unwanted sea life that are caught during the process of commercial fishing for the benefit of another species. Bycatch usually consists of the wrong species, the wrong sex, or is undersized or juveniles of the target species. There are many species and ecosystems that suffer due to this issue. In our case, there are two types of penguins that are victims to bycatch, which are Magellanic and rockhopper penguins. Imagine yourself taking a nice swim along the Patagonian coast, when all of a sudden you feel a big commercial fishing net sweep you out of the blue. This is what Magellanic and rockhopper penguins experience too often as a result of commercial fishing. These birds get tangled and drown in fishing gear such as nets, or get caught along with the fish that they prey on. Magellanic penguins are listed as near threatened, while rockhopper penguins are listed as vulnerable, so we need to find a quick and efficient solution for bycatch. Why exactly has bycatch become such a big issue? In order to keep up with the world's demand for seafood, most fisheries have adopted modern fishing equipment and techniques. While they can be efficient, an unintentional consequence is the harming of marine species that are not the target species. One such method is trawling, where huge nets are dragged across the seabed floor, catching not only fish but also destroying coral reefs and unintentionally capturing animals larger than the holes on the net, such as whales and sharks. Lack of government regulation in certain countries is also contributing to the growing problem of bycatch. Developing countries are notorious for their unsustainable fishing practices, as fishing is often a huge part of their food security. Fishermen ignore measures to reduce bycatch, such as certain size restrictions on net meshes and restrictions on how much fish can be caught in order to maximize yields, leading to negative repercussions in marine ecosystems. While bycatch is a pressing issue in regards to managing our sustainable footprint in the ocean, all hope is not lost and much action is being taken to try to contain it. Stay tuned for part 2 of this mini video series where you will learn about solutions implemented to minimize the negative impacts of bycatch.